Hey there, digital marketing rockstars. Get ready to unleash your inner marketing ninja with these 10 mind-blowing tips. You won't believe how these tips will skyrocket your brand to new heights. Let's dive right into the action. Tip 1: Set goals that crush the competition. Leave your rivals in the dust by setting goals that'll blow their minds. Watch your brand dominate the digital landscape with our supercharged goal-setting strategies. Tip 2: Know your audience better than your BFF. Get ready to crack the code on your target audience. Discover mind-boggling insights that will have your audience eating out of your hand. Tip 3: Create content that'll make your competitors cry. Unleash the power of content that will make your rivals green with envy. Watch as your content captivates, converts, and catapults your brand to success. Tip 4: Supercharge your SEO for insane traffic surge. Buckle up for a wild ride on the SEO Express. Boost your website's visibility with jaw-dropping techniques that'll leave your competitors biting the dust. Tip 5: Social media secrets revealed. Go viral or go home. Unlock the ultimate secrets to social media success. Prepare for viral sensations that will make your brand the talk of the town. Tip 6: Email marketing hacks for explosive growth. Discover the underground world of email marketing hacks. Witness mind-blowing techniques that will have your subscribers begging for more. Tip 7: Crush your competition with data-driven analytics. Dive into the treasure trove of analytics and witness the power of data-driven domination. Crush your competition like a true marketing ninja. Tip 8: Stay ahead of the curve. Embrace future trends. Don't get left behind in the digital dust. Embrace future trends that will have your brand leading the pack in the ever-evolving marketing landscape. Tip 9: Fearless experimentation. Unleash your inner maverick. Break free from the chains of conformity and embrace fearless experimentation. Watch your brand soar to new heights with revolutionary strategies. Tip 10: Learn from the pros. Secrets of marketing gurus. Unlock the vault of marketing wisdom shared by industry gurus. Learn their insider secrets and level up your marketing game like never before. Are you ready to dominate the digital marketing universe? Don't miss out on these explosive tips that'll revolutionize your brand. Hit that follow button for more mind-blowing content and become a marketing legend. Let's rock this digital world together.